Ako si Lester Samson, owner and CEO of Panic. It's a lifestyle brand, but our main focus is actually motorsports. So, Panic's bloodline is really about motorsports. Nag-evolve siya into lifestyle brand like merchandise. Pero right now, tinatransition na namin yung performance parts. Like, unang-una, yung sa cockpit ng sasakyan. Kasi yun palagi dapat komportable tayo. So, nag-start na kami sa shift knobs. And then susunod yan sa steering wheel. And then performance na exterior parts naman na susunod.
What's up guys? We are here with Lester from Panic.
Hey guys.
And he is gonna be joining us this year at the track.
Nung elementary days ko pa, yung lolo kasi, meron siyang talyer. So ako yung tigahawak ng mga ilaw. I-adjust ko pa yung bombilya nun kung saan niya ipapatutok. So doon siya nag-umpisa. Doon nag-umpisa yung love ko sa kotse. Racing for me is something na very sentimental. If I'm a good racer, then I can use that as a platform to really spread yung awareness na gusto ko. Being good at racing, that's my inner peace. Kaya seek inner peace. I want to win. I'm a very competitive person. I'm a very competitive person because if I win, I'm also beating myself. Because that's the goal that I set for myself. Hey Lester, you need to win. This is the FK8 Varis build, also Seeker build as well. I don't want to talk about the details, but it's a very well modified car. But I think with the next finishing touches, this is going to be an amazing beast for sure. So
the thing is, to the eyes and ears and knowledge of people, this is a modified car.
Yeah.
But in Mech Automotive, this is what we call full bolt-on only. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna tailor fit everything based on the driver's preference, his driving style, what race he wants to race, on what track he wants to race, on what car he wants to use. We're gonna custom build the cooling, this and that, and everything to make the car last longer on the track. And also, we're gonna abuse the car. That's what it was made for, abuse.
Exactly, and that's the reason why I brought it here. Because I want it to be a proper race car. 2020, COVID started. Nawalan ako nagkaroon ng problema sa negosyo. Kaya ako nagkaroon ng anxiety and depression. I was clinically diagnosed. And then dumating sa point na sinabi ng doktor na hindi na nila ako bibigyan ng gamot kasi it's like I'm abusing yung medicine na. Kasi I'm getting a lot of panic attacks. Sinulat ko yung word na panic sa maraming papers, siguro mga 100, more than 100. Sinulat ko yung panic na word. Tapos nilagay ko siya sa lamesa, sa desktop ko sa computer, sa TV, sa CR, sa kotse. Para hindi saan, doon ko siya nilagay. So, hanggang sa naging word na lang yung panic. So, hindi na nagtitrigger sa akin yung panic attacks. For me, it's just a word. I'm so used to that word, I don't panic anymore. Ang nare-reach ng panic is not about racing. Ang nare-reach ng panic is about yung individual, yung tao. Na everything is going to be okay. Now, that's why meron akong livery ng kotse sa FL5 ko. Nakalagay doon, seek inner peace. Yung meron pa akong livery doon na nakalagay, you are enough. May problema ka, tapos may kita ba yun sa likod? You are enough. Isipin na, okay, I'm enough. What I'm doing is already okay. I don't need to parang pukpukin yung sarili mo every time, every day. You are enough. Basta importante is maayos ka sa family mo, and nahanap mo yung inner peace mo. What I want to do is, I want to lift up and upgrade the motorsport industry in the Philippines. Kasi I've seen racers who's like giving everything they have just to race. And they're actually begging for sponsorships. I want to start a movement to let them know that we are here and we can do pretty much everything with or without these big brands. I'm just a person who wants to do good because why not? To prove a point, the National Drag Racing Championship or NDRC-PH Southern Series Leg 4 this coming May 10 and 11, 2025. Ang sponsors doon sa event na yon ay wala. It's presented by Panic. For the racers, by a racer. Heavily invested kami emotionally and not just monetary. That's why nandito ako ngayon. Gusto ko matuto ng racing properly. I'm looking for someone who can really teach me the fundamentals, not just the basic, the fundamentals of racing. Meg Automotive actually provides that kind of service, let's say. Yung mga matututunan ko sa partnership na to will not only be about racing, will also resonate in life in general. You can see the discipline sa racing. Racing actually talagang hinuhulma niya yung pagkatao mo eh. Kasi mas hahaba ang pasensya mo, mas magiging yung mga critical na decision na kunyari sa track, critical decision, split-second decision, ma-apply mo yan in real life eh. Diba? So, it will change your life, for sure. It will change your life.
But first, we have to start with the driver. So the driver has to catch up to the car. The car as is a good car already. So it is our job, well, Don's job from Raceform, our coach.
Yes.
It's his job to train him, to get him up to the car's level. Once when he gets there, that's where we start upgrading the car.
Yes.
But for now, what I'm gonna do with the car is just do the alignment, check the balancing of this, add some cooling bits and pieces.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's about it. He's gonna start training in a few days. And we'll see you guys in Clark.
5 years ago during the COVID pandemic, fast forward that from today, even in my wildest dream, pare, hindi ko marirealize o may isip na nandito ako ngayon sa sitwasyon na to. Na mapupunta ako sa sitwasyon na I can do what I love, I can race, and at the same time, help people and promote positive changes. We're all winners on this. Kasi sila yung nagbuo sa akin eh. Sila yung nagbigay ng ideology, ng mga missing pieces. And without those pieces, hindi mabubuo yung fossil. And now I wanna build something na alam niyo yung pag tanda nyo, makikita niyo yung mga anak nyo na bata, tapos sasabihin ng mga kapitbahay, uy, anak niya yan ah. I'm building a legacy na. For me, dumating ako sa point na na-reach ko na yung goal ko. Kasi lahat naman tayo iba't ibang goal eh. Makakapag-focus na ako sa gusto kong gawin, racing and giving back. Kasi gusto kong may maiambag ako sa Philippine motorsports.